Hello friends, it's Running Kimono. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 101, the basics on how to coupon over at Walgreens. So I might have guided you to this video or you might have found it. If you want to learn how to extreme coupon, this is the video for you. Just to note, this was recorded in May of 2021. Walgreens is this sort of store that sometimes they can just pull stuff, change stuff. It changes a lot. So you really got to be on your tippy toes. So that's why this is an instrumental video. First thing that we're going to talk about, like anything in life, if you really want to learn something, you have to be the best student. You have to want to learn. And sometimes part of this learning curve is to just really go with the flow. Sometimes register rewards will not print. Things won't work out your way. But other weeks, it'll work out perfectly. So just kind of like, a little bit of balance, go with the flow. Some weeks are fantastic, and other weeks it's not so great. Also be super nice to the staff at your local Walgreens. Sometimes the nicer you are, if you ever run into trouble, they're the first people to always help. In these sort of YouTube videos, I always encourage you to read the comments, or if there's something you're just not familiar with, or you're just like, that sounds really weird, like, your mileage may vary. What does that mean? Google it. You can find it a lot faster for yourself than asking me, maybe waiting 2 days to find out what your mileage may vary means. And the more that you are super sharp and really paying attention, the faster you will learn this. And yes, you will make a couple mistakes here and there. It's the process of learning how to coupon or how to coupon at Walgreens. But if you pay attention, you're cutting out probably 70% of the learning curve. And as I was saying, if I do make a mistake or if one of you have information in the comments, see how that's pinned. I will always pin somebody's information if they explain a little better, or if I did in fact make a mistake. Hey, I'm just a person with a computer. I do make mistakes from time to time. That I'm encouraging you to read the comments because sometimes the information is like right there. Or if you have a question you're asking, 3 people might have asked it before you. So just read the comments. It's the fastest way to get your answer sometimes. Okay, so back to the tutorial. Why Walgreens? Why shop at this one pharmacy? Well, if you look on their site of the amount of stores that they have in the United States, it's just shy of under 9,000. Compared to the other 2 pharmacies, this Walgreens has the most. Look at Florida, 820 Walgreens. I would never be home if I lived in the state of Florida. But it's a great pharmacy and it's exceptionally evergreen. So if you live in rural small town USA, or if you live in like Orlando, lots of pharmacies where you can find lots of items to do these deals. So to sign up for their program, it's called My Walgreens. You can sign up either in store or online for the store card. You need the store card to play, not negotiable. And it is 1 card per phone number or person. Just to note that. And it's pretty easy to sign up at the store. You just have to provide your email, a little bit of personal information, etc. With the new program, it's very similar to the old Balance Rewards, but there is no more beauty club with My Walgreens. Please don't ask. This is a done deal. It changed last November of 2020. It's gone. Now back to My Walgreens. How does this work? Now, Balance Rewards was points. Now, this is Walgreens Cash. That is the big difference. And the denominations, according to their website, they have the dollar, $5, $20, and $50. Some stores still do the tiers of 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. That might change, but this is according to their website. So, $1 of Walgreens Cash is 1,000 points. But if you look at the bottom of your receipt, it's always like a sum of the Walgreens Cash as a summary. But sometimes we'll mess up and say, oh, it's 1,000 points, but we're actually meaning $1 of Walgreens Cash or the dollar reward. Okay, guys, so let's talk about boosters. And if you have a digital and paper one like this one, you can typically stack them. And let's not forget, you have to pay cash bills for the balance. You can't use your Walgreens Cash. You must pay currency, your debit card, your credit card, cash bills, pennies, whatever you have. Don't use your Walgreens Cash or you will not earn it on a spend booster. What is a spend booster? It's one of the 2 that I just showed you, or a deal such as this one where it's like spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. This sort of deal with the word spend in it, you must pay cash bills for the balance. So to jog you through this again, for any sort of spend offer, and this is where I'm saying pay attention. If you see the word spend, you have to pay cash bills, credit card, debit card, pennies. Do not use your Walgreens Cash or store coupons or IVCs. Or say you had an item that you returned and you were given a gift card, you can't use that because that gift card is actually Walgreens Cash, or you will not earn your Walgreens Cash. And typically when I do matchups, I say yes or no to using Walgreens Cash as well. So at the very least, pay attention to my matchups. I always have it written at the bottom for those Friday videos. Now, this is where it gets, somewhat confusing, but since you're super observant, it'll make perfect sense. Whenever you have an offer with the word buy in it, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash. So that's why it's somewhat confusing. So spend, it's a hard and fast no. Buy, it's an absolutely yes. So for these sort of deals, yes, you can. So, because the word buy is in fact there. And even in the store, pay attention, a tag like this where it's earn a $4 register reward when you buy 2 deals of the week. Yes, you could use your Walgreens Cash and that will still print for you. Okay, guys, so now we're going to talk about the monthly big book of savings. It is this. You can either load these digitally or find this book at the front of your store. It is free to take. IVC stands for Instant Value Coupon. It's also known as a store coupon. And just to give you a quick peek of what do these look like, this is what they are. And yes, you can stack these store coupons with manufacturer coupons that you get from coupons.com, wherever you might get manufacturer coupons, and look at the top if it says manufacturer coupon, and you should be in business. Okay. Next, now the IVC coupon you can also load digitally. So just go into your digital coupons folder and load them that way. They are of a one-time use. And if it says My Walgreens on the coupon, that is in fact an IVC coupon. It's not a regular manufacturer coupon. To answer another question, can you stack both the digital and the paper IVC? And the answer to that is no. Only one will get picked up by the cash register. The second one will not. Okay, so if you might have a digital manufacturer coupon, not a store coupon, but a digital manufacturer coupon, like this $4 one for the Garnier. And if you might have one from an insert and you want to use both of these on 2 products because you want to save so much money, essentially what'll happen is only one will take at the cash register. Both will not take because they're both manufacturer coupons. That weird, goofy verbiage of 1 coupon per purchase, that's what it means. You could have to pick one or the other. You cannot use both. It will not work. So just be very mindful of that. That's what 1 coupon per purchase means. And we're talking about a digital manufacturer and a paper manufacturer. Another quick question that I get asked a lot is, for clearance items, can you use the IVC or manufacturer coupons on clearance items? And the answer to that is yes. A couple weeks back, I got this cute little haul of Cottonelle toilet paper and I used a bunch of dollar coupons. No problems or issues. It works. So hopefully your store won't give you too much trouble with that, but it does work. And to talk about the register rewards and store coupons, they've kind of changed things a bit. The top one is a store coupon. The bottom one is a manufacturer. In the pinned comments, I have a full video all about this with all the information. Please check it out. It's a lot to go through here, and I don't want this to be a 4-hour video, but check out that video. There is a difference between the two. It's the most subtle thing, and it can make a huge difference in one of your deals. So please watch the video pinned in the notes. Okay, so what do you do when your Catalina doesn't print or your register reward? You have 3 options. You either ask the manager at the store. You can show them the flyer on your phone and say, hey, it didn't print, or the tag at the store. You can contact the Catalina company. How to do that will be pinned in the notes, or you can call customer service or text with customer service to get the missing register reward. And it happens if there's a big snowstorm or rainstorm, or if the machine is not turned on or off of paper. There's a variation of why they don't print. It happens more often than not, but one of these 3 ways is, a great way to get your missing register reward. This is the number to call customer service. Very easy. You can also Google this. I would recommend to save this in your phone, especially if you're an extreme couponer and you shop a lot over at Walgreens. They're not about phone calls. If you go to the very bottom of the Walgreens website, see how it says contact us where that arrow is? That's what you will press, and it'll bring you to this need help live chat, and you can just do a text chat for missing register rewards points, or if you just need help, and they will like assist you that way. This is a lot faster than being on hold, and it's my preference, but very easy to find, and another opportunity to talk to customer service. Now, on the website, typically, if you go to your coupons folder, you can get to the weekly ad. On Wednesday evenings, usually the new ads pop, so you can see like what are the deals, a couple days ahead of time. And all the information is there, IVC booklet, all that stuff right there at your fingertips. Now, just a quick tutorial on tags, and the more observant you are, the easier this is for you. The bottom right-hand corner, see how this one says good through May the 29th? So I'm in the store May the 1st. You know that, hey, this is in fact a monthly deal. It'll be taking place for 4 weeks. Unlike these body wash ones, it says good through May the 1st. So that one is in fact a weekly deal. So it'll give you an idea if you might have, like, if there might be better coupons later in the month for a product, you might just want to sit on it for a couple of days. But May the 1st, you know that one, if it's within the week that you're in the store, then you know that's a weekly deal. Or if it's advertised in the ad as part of a weekly deal, it's a weekly deal and not a monthly deal. And then these awesome orange tags, when you can see them at 90% off, usually they change in most stores Saturday afternoonish. A lot of products will go from like just being on clearance at 50 to 90. That's what I really like. Or possibly on Tuesdays. Always great to ask a manager if they have anything new on clearance or, their clearance schedule. Sometimes they will share that with you. Okay, so what's the benefits of learning all this stuff and shopping over at Walgreens? Once you can figure out the rhythm of the store, guys, I think I paid $10. I used $10 in Walgreens Cash for all this. I paid 98 cents for this basket. I mean, hello and hi. That's awesome. Absolutely awesome. And, when you can find items at 90% off, if you're paying out of pocket for other deals, when you can use a little bit of your Walgreens Cash or register rewards and get a whole bunch of stuff really inexpensive, that is the magic. And for clearance stuff, at least in my little market, they don't limit. Maybe bigger stores, they might. But it's still fantastic to get some, acetaminophen for 25 cents. That's amazing. Recently, we've also been seeing phones 90% off. They've really been hitting these like 90% off to get stuff out of the store. And it's just a tremendous store. I have been with them for 10 years, and of all of them, because it is such an evergreen store, that's why I keep going back. And in small town Michigan, they have a Walgreens everywhere. So that's also a big point for me as I live super rural. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.